Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds. My name's James, one of the sales executives here alongside Chris and Rob. Pleased to show you today this lovely Canvansite Blue Metallic Mercedes-Benz C220 Premium Plus. Premium Plus is the specification on the car. One that stands out for us is obviously that sliding glass panoramic sunroof. Other specification includes the Burmeister surround sound system and heat front seats. Merc are quite a fan of their ambient lighting. Today we've got it on purple. Really does stand out once you got the car at night. And the other big one that stands out for me is COMAND Online. That's actually an acronym for Cockpit Management and Navigation Display. All singing, all dancing, the best one that Mercedes-Benz offer. The car's only covered 23,522 miles. The condition speaks for itself, the age and mileage. It's got the piano black finish to the interior and also wireless device charging, which does come in handy if you're ever missing that cable for your phone. If you've got any other queries about the car or you'd like to make an appointment to come and look at it, I'll be available. My name's James. Again, there's Chris and Rob both here as well. Please give us a call. We'll be happy to look after you and see if we can potentially do some business.